Ladies and gentlemen, this is question E on page 284, right about the middle of the page. This is the last lesson practice. Again, it says simplify. Okay, so again, we got lucky once again. They have the same denominator, don't they, right? Because both of them have a 12. Okay, so all we have to do, the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and write down that 12, right, as the denominator. Okay, we're going to do that first just to simplify our lives just a little bit. Okay, then all we do is add the numerators. 8 plus 7 is what? 8 plus 7 is 15. All right, so far we have 15 over 12. Well, what did I say to do? The first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and simplify that fraction. We know it's an improper fraction, so we know our final answer is going to be a mixed number. Okay, but the first thing we want to do is find a common denominator that we can divide into both 12 and 15. Well, hopefully you already know that it's a 3 because we can divide 12 by 3, and what do we get? If we divide 12 by 3, we get a 4. What if we divide a 15 by 3? Well, we get 5. So 5 over 4 is our final answer. I'm going to write it up here. So 5 over 4. But again, we have an improper fraction, and our question said simplify. Okay, so we have to simplify 5 over 4. I think we actually already did it on a different question, but I'm going to go ahead and do it so that you can see the process. So what does the line on a fraction mean? I know you guys are sick of me saying that. It means divide. So we get 5 divided by 4, right? So 4 goes into 5 how many times? Well, it go 1. So 1 times 4 is 4. And then I have to subtract, and I get a 1 remainder. Well, since we're trying to make this a fraction, we don't have to make it a decimal. All we do is we take our remainder, now that we're out of places to divide, we take our remainder and we put it over whatever we divided by. So 1 over 4. So our final answer, whoops, sorry about that. I don't know what just happened. Oh, my phone is acting crazy. So our final answer is 1 and 1/4. Again, that is number E on the lesson practice in the middle of the page. Hopefully that will help you on any questions that you have on the homework or in class that we go do next week.